Turning an electrochemical application into a commercial product is easier said than done. Your resources are limited and speed is essential as the time to market is now. Our OEM Potentiostat products allow you to translate your sensor application quickly into an end-user device. At PalmSens, we provide two types of OEM products: Potentiostat modules, which can be integrated in your product, and market-ready solutions, where we provide an end-user product the way you need it. The first OEM product is the MStat module. It offers a wide range of electrochemical techniques such as cyclic voltammetry, chronoamperometry, electrochemical impedance spectroscopy, and many more. MStat modules allow for a wide range of communication options, including USB, Bluetooth, and TTL. The MStat module has been designed in a way that it's easy to prototype by connecting it to an external microcontroller like an Arduino. You can easily start prototyping using the MStat development kit and by using one of our many code examples. We also provide market-ready solutions. We deliver a full end-user potentiostat or reader tailored to fit your application and brand, starting at low quantities. You can customize your market-ready solution by selecting the housing, the module, the battery, and wired or wireless connectivity. Our solutions will help you to accelerate in making your electrochemical application ready for commercial use. PalmSens can deliver a custom app for your sensor application, or you can make it yourself using our software development kits and code examples. PalmSens is an independent company and official partner of Analog Devices. We are active in more than 100 countries. Contact us for more information or visit our website palmsens.com/OEM.